Hey, it's John with Carroll Real Estate and Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Toronto Realty. Today, I'm in central Etobicoke, near the intersections of Bloor and Dundas Street West. Now, the last time I was in the 6 Points neighborhood, the area was just starting its transformation. Today, it's more vibrant than ever. It's more pedestrian, more shops and services have come to the area, and it's really revitalizing the entire neighborhood. From where I am right now, Michael Power Park is just up the street, and we're a short 7-minute walk to the subway at Islington Station or the GO train station over at Kipling. Now, if you lived in my newest listing at 11 Michael Power Place, you could strap on your sneakers, put your dog on a leash, and walk straight out to the street and enjoy everything this neighborhood has to offer. Interested? Let's take a look. Ready for your personal touches, this 1+1 bedroom, 2-bathroom unit is located at Port Royal Place and was developed by Pemberton in 2003. The unit features a generous living and dining room, which leads to a large primary bedroom and ensuite bath. The floor-to-ceiling windows in both spaces let the light pour in and make the unit feel warm and inviting. Need a dedicated office space or have guests staying over? The enclosed den is the perfect solution. Before you end your tour though, don't forget my favorite feature. It's perfect for the small pet owner or anyone who just loves a little extra sunshine. Make sure to walk out from the living room to the terrace with direct access to the front of the building. You'll barely ever need to walk through the condo hallways again. The unit includes 1 parking spot and the use of the quality building amenities. Thanks for watching. For more listings or to search your favorite areas, check out johnkcarroll.ca.